Hey Aviation! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top for Best Gaming PC Case Review 2025.
Number 4.
Product Parameters. Model SKF-01. I/O port. Power button 1. Restart key 1. USB 3.0 cable 2. Audio port 1. Material: aluminum. Color: black silver. Hard disk: 3.5 inches x 2. Weight: about 3 kilograms.
Number 3.
Mechanic Master Computer Case C30 for Plus Desktop Unit Box Side Transparent Flexible. Convenient aluminum PC Cube Mini Assemble.
Number 2.
Specifications: dust filters. Front top rear bottom. Case weight: 4 kilograms. Power model: SFX. Chassis type: desktops. Front ports: USB Type-C. Application: desktop. Model number: C24. Type: vertical. RAN name: Mechanic Master.
Number 1.
Description: material: 5052 aluminum plate. Tempered glass. Silicone. Plate thickness to 0 mm. Motherboard compatibility: MATX and below. Dimensions: length 475 mm. Width 217 mm. Height 545 mm. Hardware scalability: CPU cooler height limit: 163 mm.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.